All right, here's a couple of good questions. They want you to rationalize the denominator. Well, that color you can't see well. Rationalize the denominator. So one step you could do is to break this 250 down. So 125 and 2. 125, if you're looking for cubes of numbers, is a nice choice. But I'm trying to rationalize the denominator. So I have a cube root of 9 on the bottom to start with, and I have to get rid of the cube root, the root part of it. And so I can multiply it by the cube root of 3 because I know 9 times 3 is 27, and the cube root of 27 is just plain 3. And that's my end goal, is to get rid of the radical on the bottom. So choosing this to multiply top and bottom by, good idea. So on the bottom, I get the cube root of 27, which just comes out to a plain 3. Good. Now on the top, if I multiply the bottom by the cube root of 3, I have to multiply the top by the cube root of 3. And now if this is the cube root of something, and so is this, I can put them all underneath one cube root sign. So I can have 125 times 2 times 3. So the 2 times 3, that's where the 6 comes from. And then 125 is the same as 5 times 5 times 5. And remember, we're trying to get 3 things inside to bring 1 out. Or you can say this is the same thing as 5 cubed. And the cube root of this is just plain old 5, like you have right there. Perfect. And then what's stuck inside there is just the 6. Looks good. And a 3 on the bottom. I'd love to divide the 3 into the 6 there, but one's in a radical and one's outside of a radical, so I can't do that. So that looks like the correct answer. On this next one, again, it's cube root of 9 on the bottom, so I'm going to multiply. Whoops. There's an equal sign here. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by cube root of 3 so that I get the cube root of 27 on the bottom. Same game as what's happened up here. So there'll be a 3 up on the bottom there. And then I'm going to write this out a little funny. I don't know how it'll work, but 20 is the same thing as 5 times 4, right? So 5 times, and 4 is 2 times 2. And then I have this other 2 that's there. And then I have this 3. So that's all the stuff that's inside. And I'm looking for 3 things inside that I can bring 1 out. So here's 3 2's. And so I can bring 1 2 outside of the radical. And then I'll have the cube root of 5 times 3, which is just 15. So that would be the answer for that one. Hopefully that helps with rationalizing the denominator.